Hello everyone, my name is CFew, and today we're going to look at what is an instructional coach. Also, we will review what is the process of instructional coaching along with how to build positive relationships between the instructional coach and those that are receiving coaching. First, let's start off by asking, what is an instructional coach to you? Or what do you know about instructional coaches?
To me, an instructional coach is someone who helps the teacher in the classroom, comes up with ideas for class instruction, and gives support and advice to the teacher.
This is good, and you are so correct. Per the Western Governors University, an instructional coach works with the teachers to improve the quality of their lessons and the quality of the students' education. They serve as mentors and role models, helping teachers to stay fresh and use the latest techniques and technologies in their classrooms. Now that we understand what an instructional coach is, does anyone know the process of how instructional coaching works?
Well, the process should include steps on the instructional coach being successful with teachers in the classroom.
Yes, this is true. But now let us look a little deeper at the process of instructional coaching and what it looks like. Based on Study.com and Galloway's thinking, instructional coaching process is just a cycle, and there are 4 main steps to the cycle. We must first have an introductory meeting. We must use instructional coaching goals. We have to have classrooms observations. And lastly, we must reflect and use our data correctly. So when you mention steps of being successful, that is true, but this is how we get to be successful as instructional coaches by following these 4 steps. As instructional coaches, we must first come together with icebreakers and fun and engaging activities to get to know each other. We need to conduct surveys on what the educators' wants and needs are and how we could help improve their classrooms with new techniques, strategies, technology, and resources. Next, we must set goals for ourselves and the teachers that we're going to be working with. After that, we will come into the classrooms and observe to see if the goals are being met with various lessons and activities for the students. Lastly, we will reflect on and analyze the data with the educators. This gives the instructional coach and the educators time to connect with each other and implement what needs to happen moving forward. In order for this process to work, one thing I will say about an instructional coach is that they must come in willing to get to know their educators and staff that they're going to be working with by building strong and positive relationships and rapport. We have to make sure that we interact with our staff at the beginning of the school year to make sure that they know that we're there to help them be successful with their students by providing the proper resources, tools, and guides that they're going to need. Building trust at the beginning of the school year helps to make and create solid relationships with the instructional coaches and the staff. I would like to thank everyone for attending and engaging in today's PD. Are there any additional questions, comments, or feedback that we could discuss at this time? Thank you for your time, and I look forward to working closely with each of you this year. Here's my personal contact information, my personal cell phone and email, school email. Please feel free to reach out to me at any time when you need something and I'm not here. Thank you.